Here I've got Huawei P30 Lite, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first let's open the browser that we are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on the More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and then select History. Then click on Clear Browsing Data. And now you've got some basic and advanced options. So under basic you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And then under advanced you have some more, and these are saved passwords, autofill from data, and also site settings. So if you'd like to, for example, stay with your saved passwords, just unmark it and they will not be deleted. But I would like to remove everything, so I will mark all the options. And then you have to pick the time range, so you can choose last hour, last day, last 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. And I would like to remove the history from the beginning, and then tap on Clear Data. And that's it. As you can see, everything has been wiped. Click on OK, I got it. And as you can see, now the history is empty and you can create it from scratch. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.